There is, such a need for transformation and innovation, and that's where we were very excited to bring a cloud-based modular platform that we can plug and play into any market. Now that we're connected digitally with JLL, it's very exciting to actually be working with you and rolling that out globally.
Yeah. And what I do like about Valocity is that you accommodate collaboration and you are more focused on facilitating innovation. And I do believe our industry, which has been held back and has seen very little innovation, is ripe for it, but we need someone to help us to facilitate it. So that is one of the big things I really do like about Valocity.
And we have to be really creative with what we're doing, especially some of the markets where we're working in together, like India, where there is no data, there is no geospatial address picker. There's all these things that we're actually having to create in order to digitize, but at the same time banks are wanting accuracy, quality, standardization, and customers are wanting it fast and wanting it now.
And I don't think there's anyone in this world who doesn't want the services or the products they receive. They want them faster, they want better quality, and they want better value for money. So it's not about cheaper, it's about value for money. And India is a really good example that the challenges there are just astronomical, but the opportunities are even bigger. But technology can totally transform that market. And from a JLL global point of view, we will have standardised workflow processes, standardised platforms, but they will have a modular design because there's going to be differences within countries, within asset class, within clients. And that's what we've got to do here in Australia as well. Make sure that we can provide different services, different products to different clients. And if we don't do that in a modular design, well, again, we're going to restrict our ability to actually develop and grow as a business.
And recognising actually that no one knows what tomorrow brings, but there's going to be different data, there's going to be different regulatory requirements, adding more friction to the process at the same time as increased customer expectations.
The data is incredibly important, but no one's going to have all the data. So I'm a big believer in data sharing. But it's that property and intelligence, that domain knowledge, that's going to be the real value in turning data and technology into something of value. Because if you don't actually understand your business or your client's business, you can have all the data, all the technology in the world, but still not add any real value.
Completely agree, and we always talk about that there's three things you need. You need to harness technology, you need to create insights from data, or otherwise so what, and you really need people that have a passion to solve problems and are really purpose driven, because as you say, otherwise it's technology for technology's sake, data for data's sake, or actually you're not actually solving the problem, you're just trying to sell a product as opposed to a lot of differentiation.
Yep.
Well, we're really excited and for the global journey that we're going through with the partnerships that we already have in the markets where we're sharing, and really looking forward to creating the future together.
And so am I, and looking forward to hopefully journeying into many countries around the world together.